Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Deal Machine account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a pre-probate list with your Deal Machine account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a list of pre-probates anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing wholesale real estate, you know that it's important to spend your marketing budget towards the most motivated sellers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Deal Machine account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Deal Machine account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and find a pre-probate list, first you need to zero in on an area. Now the thing is with pre-probates, it's usually one of the smaller lists. So a lot of times you can't pull up just for the zip code because there might not be any. Usually what I'll do is I'll pull up the county. So let me go ahead and let's pull up one county. Let's go ahead and do King County. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to county right here. Okay, you can see that Deal Machine has about 750,000 properties in King County that are registered. So next we need to go ahead and narrow this down. So we're going to click right here on quick filters. The cool thing about Deal Machine is they have a pre-probate list as a quick filter. So you just scroll down until you see this line right here, probates, and click on there. Okay, for the probate list, you can see it's pulling up 129 properties. So that's a pretty good list in itself. Now you can narrow this down even more if you want. So first off, if you like going after single family residences, you can narrow it down by here, property type. Once you do that, you can click on single family, or you can also do townhouses, condos, whatever you like going after. So for me, I go after single families. Okay, so you can see that narrows it down to 7 properties. And again, you can keep narrowing this down. So you can click on price. So if you go after $1 million homes, you can go ahead and say filter between 8 and 1.2 million. Or if you go into maybe $300,000 to $700,000 properties, you can narrow it down there if you want. Since this is a pretty small list, I would probably go ahead and just leave it at that. You can also click right here on more. All right. And then what I'll normally do when I'm filtering out, I like to buy from individual owners. So I'll go here to owner type, and then you want to click here on corporate owned. And I'll usually click no, just because if it's an LLC or a corporation, a lot of times those are other investors, just based on my experience. So this is just a personal preference. So I'll click here on no and then confirm. Okay, you can see that dropped it down to 99 properties. And some other filters that I'll normally use is click on more, and then you can go ahead and click on and equity and value. So if you're going after properties that have a lot of equity, you can go ahead and click here on equity percent, and then is greater than, and let's say you want more than 50%, and then confirm. Okay, you can see it drops down to 82 properties. And then if you want to narrow it down even more, a lot of times folks will inherit homes that are living out of state in the probate process. So if you want to go after just those ones that are living out of state, you can click here and then click here on owner type, and then out of state owner, and then yes, and confirm. Okay, so it looks like none of the owners in this particular county are out of state owners. So I would have to go ahead and delete this, delete condition. And then honestly, 99 properties in a probate list, that's actually pretty good. I wouldn't really narrow it down much more than that. So like I told you, there's a lot of different ways you can look for probate listings in your Deal Machine account. That's just the way that I do it. If you have a more efficient way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.